In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective to-do list using Clickup. Whether you're a seasoned pro at organizing tasks or just starting to optimize your workflow, this guide will walk you through the setup step by step. Let's begin by heading over to the Clickup website, which is your workspace for managing everything work related. If you haven't already logged into your account, you'll find the login option conveniently placed at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will usher you to the sign in screen, where for ease and security, you can choose to sign in using Google. This option streamlines the process as it uses your existing Google credentials. Now, once you've signed in, let's head to our workspace, look toward the upper area, and you'll notice 3 dots. This is where you gain access to various configurations and options. Click on those dots and select templates from the drop-down menu. Templates are a fantastic way to efficiently set up your workspace without having to start from scratch every time. After selecting templates, you'll see an option to browse templates. Clicking this will give you a gallery of all the available templates. Now, the key to creating an organized to-do list lies in using the right template. In the search bar, type to-do, and you'll be presented with several options. For the purpose of this guide, we are going to choose the calendar to-do list template. Seeing the calendar to-do list option, click on it to get a detailed overview of what this template offers. Satisfied with our choice? Great. Now click on use template. At this point, if you wish to personalize it further, you have the option to rename the template to something unique that fits your workflow. It's a minor step, but personalization can aid in quickly identifying your workspaces later on. After renaming, go ahead and click Use Template again. Now you will see that your template is integrated and ready to be configured according to your tasks. Navigate back to your dashboard and you will see the calendar to-do list set up waiting for you to fill it with tasks. Now let's say you want to tweak a current task or add more details. Navigate through to your list, select a task, and begin editing. Clickup offers a user-friendly environment where you can adjust deadlines, task descriptions, and even assign tasks to others, making teamwork a breeze. That's it. You've now set up an efficient to-do list using Clickup templates, which will help keep your tasks organized and enhance productivity. Remember, a well-organized list is the first step to a productive day. Thank you for following along and happy organizing.